Hello, welcome. This is To the Point, brought to you by Midnight Sun Woodwork. And today we're going to be talking a little bit about installing your Vectric software and some of the things you may want to look at before you actually purchase it so you pick the right package that's right for you. Let me get out of the way here and we'll go up here. And if you go to vectric.com, it'll bring up this page. And this is where you can find out the most about the different software versions that they offer. For instance, they have Pro Cut 2D, Desktop Cut 2D, and you can read the names once you get to this page. And this will tell you a little bit more about what each one does. Some of them are limited to 24 inches by 24 inches cutting area, while others are pretty much unlimited. And each one comes with a different amount of software than the other one. Their top of the line one is called Aspire. And Aspire allows you to actually model in 3D, but it's also the most expensive one to get. One of the most popular ones is V-Carve Pro. It's a step down from Aspire, comes with a ton of software, and you can cut 3D, you just cannot model in 3D. And then if you scroll down here farther, you'll see some of the options that each one comes with. And then if you're interested in prices, as you go down further, you'll see what the prices are. Now, Vectric offers some super deals that a lot of other companies don't offer. For instance, if you buy Cut 2D Desktop, it's $149. And then later on, you decide you want to buy Cut 2D Pro, the Pro version. You pay the $300 difference. You don't have to pay the full amount. You pay the difference between the package you have and the package you want to buy. They also allow you to install these on 3 different computers. You aren't limited to just one. So that's real good if you have like 3 computers and they're networked together. You can access the files from one computer on the other computer. Or if you have an external storage device, you can store everything on that and then access it and make changes to all your files and stuff from any of the 3 computers or 2 computers, however many you actually use. But this gives you some idea of the prices. The V-Carve Pro, which is the most popular, runs right at $700. The Aspire runs $19.95. I don't have that kind of money, so I stick with V-Carve Pro, and quite honestly, I've been real happy with it. Right now, they are definitely pushing the Aspire version of the software because it's the most expensive, but it does also do the most. And the 3D modeling is the biggest part of it. They have some other things like Photo V-Carve, where you can cut photos and things like that. So this is a great page to start out on. You can figure out which package is best for you. And then back up here at the top, they have a thing called a users group. And every year they pick a different city. They have one in the US and one overseas. And they have a big users group with presentations and demonstrations and things to help you out. Then they actually post the presentations online for you. So if you click on that, You can see some of the things that they show you how to build and things that other users have made and built. And it's just a great beginning to learning all your software. And they have steps to help you all the way along the line. Then, once you figure out all that, you want to go to what's called design and make. And this has all the software that they sell. And there are different models. There are model projects, and then there's collections. But they have like 2,000 single models. And these are just some of the models that they do sell. They range anywhere from about $5 up to about $75, depending on what it is you're buying. But you can see this is $15. And that's not bad. You carve that out, you sell it once, and you make your money back in no time at all. They have a huge selection. They have religious things, sports, fishing, military items, Christmas, all the holidays. And then they also, if you go back, they have projects, and these are more grouped together type of items. For instance, this is African safari. It costs you $100, but all these models come in there, and then this is actually put together for you. So you can see you get a buffalo, an elephant, a lion, these things. And then they will go ahead and put some of these together for you, and all you have to do is load them up and cut them out. Some of these are pretty extensive modeling. They give you a cheat sheet that helps you kind of put your own stuff together if you want. You don't have to you can use these models, but you can put them together in any way you want. If you just want the buffalo head in the middle of the Africa or something like that, you can do that, put a frame around it. So you can manipulate these in any way you want. And then if you go back, they have collections. And these have quite a few more things in them. They're kind of like the other ones. But for instance, here's a wildlife scene for $200. You get 62 individual models that you can put together any way you want. 10 of them are pre-assembled layouts. So these are already put together. And I've cut this one out. I've cut this one out. I've cut this one out. And they turn out really nice. I've also done this one over here with the hawk and the wolf underneath of it. And they do turn out really nice. Then you stain them and, you can sell them. They've got all different types of collections. They've got religious ones up here, and here's that African safari, but it's got a lot more models in there. Other animals. Here's architectural stuff. If you're into dogs or undersea collections. So sometimes I got real lucky when I bought my V-Carve Pro, because I bought one of these packages for $200 and I got a second one for half price. So it doesn't hurt to ask. It was a promotional thing at that time. So you may not be able to get the second one at half price, but for what you get, it's well worth the money. And then from the home page, if I can find the home page again, I don't know where it went. There it is. It's called V&Co, and it's another portion of the software. I think it stands for Vectric and Company, but you log into your V&Co account, and this is where you download all your software from. When you come down here, you scroll down, it tells you what version is currently out. And then if you want to download your clip art, you can click on that, and you can see right here, these are the ones that I paid for. And all you do is click on this little button here. It'll download it to your computer. And if you have, more than one computer you're doing this to, you just go to each computer and download it onto each one. And these are the ones that I paid for. And then this is a list of all the ones that come, all the clip art that comes with the particular package that you buy. And you can see there's a whole bunch of different groupings of them: plants and fruit, clip art, or animals, weaves. And, you just go to each one, download it, and it'll install it onto your computer. Then once it's installed, you open up your software, and there will be a tab up on the upper left that says clip art. And you click on that. Let's see, I'll just do that here for you. I'll just open up the software here. You create a new file. Just throw in some numbers in here, doesn't matter when you're first starting out. And you want to see your clip art. Right here is your clip art tab. And this is all the software that comes with the particular package. This is for V-Carve Pro. And you can see there's a ton of software that comes with it, and you can mix and match these, and it'll actually, there's a 3D view of it. This was one that was put together. It was already a project that was put together, so all I'd have to do is figure out the toolpath I want to use and go ahead and cut it, and I'd be done. So this is just another example of a thing called Hack of the Week, and they help you throw different designs together. They have a cheat sheet that shows you some of the combinations you can come up with, put together. This one happened to be free. Some of them are, inexpensive, but they have a wide variety of things to do, so I really hope this has helped you out a little bit, helped you decide what you might want to pick and choose, which package, what to look forward to. So just hope this helped you out some. Talk to you later. Thank you.